Good afternoon, guys. How we doing? So I just thought I'd make another video. First, we will go over Bitcoin, see what's going on there, and then I want to transfer over to the Metaverse coins, see where we are with them, and see if there's any potential trades, entries coming up in the next day or two or a couple of weeks, so we can really focus on, so we can get them big gains when Bitcoin starts pumping again. So let's dive into the chart and let's have a look. Right then, guys. Here's the Bitcoin chart from today. So obviously we spoke the other day about this area here, this imbalance. Let me just delete this, right? Imbalance. Yep, so we had it here. I mean, we had a reaction from it. Failing to break low, then we had this push up, but I mean, it wasn't the strongest push, was it? But obviously we broke the channel, changed character. So I was hoping for something to come back down, test, see if the buyers were real, and then go. But as we said, it could come back down and test these and test this area here. Because why would it test this area? Because this is where the move started. So now we're broke. So we've got this area now. We've got this VZ zone, value area. So obviously we're going to look for sellers to get weak now. So obviously we want to see loads of wicks. We want to see small volume candles. We want to see just the sellers getting exhausted. So how are we on volume? So volume is going down, but look, this is going up here when it broke, which isn't the best sign in the world, but it is what it is. That's what you expect when we broke. Obviously institutions have been involved, volumes come in, money's come in. We broke that level. And that's where we are. So hopefully if we break this, then, I mean, we're talking 30s then. But I just can't see it. Do you know what I mean? There's that much institutional money now and people buying and more people hold now than sell. So Bitcoin's going up. Everyone knows it. Everyone knows when a market crash is coming. But no one can predict when it's going to happen. So we're in this value area now, so I'm hoping we're going to get some weakness from the sellers, and then we just need something. It's like this move here. You know what I mean? So we know the buyers have stepped in. And then I mean we can capitalize on institutional money and the big money. So that's what we want to do, guys. Follow the smart money. So on that, hopefully, this will be the end of the downtrend, but we never know. So let's dive into some Metaverse coins. So Sandbox. Now, I mean, Sandbox is, it's getting loads of press at the minute. I mean, people are buying land for, I don't know, 2, 3, 4 million quid. It's just crazy. So what we got here, let's dissect it. This should have broke, but it didn't. It didn't break this high here. I mean, we've had the pullback. It's probably 50%. So we've had the 50% pullback. So obviously this is called premium discounts. So up here is premium, below the 50% discount. So this is always where you want to be buying on the pullbacks. But obviously we sort of had that. So that confirms the pullback. But then look, no way, Jose. So where do we go from here? So if we break this, then obviously we're gonna, let me just get my pen, come down, and then our first pull is this wick. I don't know what I've done there. So wick. So this area. Yeah. I mean, sorry about that. Let's do it properly. So we've got this wick here, which started the big impulsive move. So let's keep our eyes on this. If Bitcoin breaks, this is going to absolutely melt. And then here's our areas. If Bitcoin starts consolidating and then we start getting some momentum, then this failed high, this break here confirms we've changed the trend now. So we're going to come back. We're going to have a bigger pullback. So let's keep our eyes on this, guys. It's all about Bitcoin at the minute. So, I mean, trading is a game of patience. We don't want to rush in. We don't want to lose money. We want to wait, be predators, and see how things develop. But any other market, this will be going lower. So let's wait and see. We've got Decentraland. It's had a big push today. So this is what I'm looking for, this wick here. This wick started the big move. Big impulsive to broke structure. Yeah. So wherever a move started, it broke structure. So this wick has already been filled with this wick. Yep. So there's no liquidity there. So all the liquidity is just sitting here now. So let's see if we can get down here, test this, and hopefully Bitcoin comes back. And then obviously we've got a from there to there. What have we got? Nice 150%. It's not bad. What else we got? Atlantis. So Atlantis, I don't know if any of you guys have researched this, but I absolutely love this. The website's really, really cool. I mean, they're doing some really, really, really cool things. So looks like we're getting a double bottom here. Obviously, we get a break. Nice little double bottom here. So what we'll be looking for now, break, test, and then up. Yep. Something like that. So I love this. So basically, they've got two coins. So this is just obviously your coin, and then you've got the, where is it? Polish. Let's go on this. So this one you get more rights in the game, stuff like that. You can buy land, all this kind of stuff with this coin. But look at this. I mean, I'm just waiting for this to slow down. Some crazy returns here. 324%. I'm definitely looking for longs on this. Just to this high. I mean, obviously, we're really big bullish. We break it now. I'll keep hold of it. But this is definitely me, my target from this lows now. Blocktopia. Really like Blocktopia, but it's completely melted. I was hoping for something like this to happen, but it just didn't quite get there. So this, but and then a little spring, and then obviously up and away. But obviously Bitcoin's melting. The liquidity is taken from this, so I don't know where's our next protocol now. It's not looking good. Let's have a look. So we're looking at this value zone here. It starts the big move, so we may come back down to here then go. So we'll see. Tricky one. Westworld, Wilder World, sorry. Look at this. Let's hit this perfectly. So this is the perfect POI here. So hopefully if we get some of this, what we're looking at here, 50%. Let's have a look. Super cool. Getcha. Let's go from there. So, I mean, you're looking 229% just this top. So it's looking tasty. This is looking really tasty. So let's keep our eyes on this. And then we got VR, Victoria VR. I invested in this on the IDO. So I've got some crazy returns. But yeah, let's see. I don't know. We're probably going to get a pullback, to be fair, to the 50%. Maybe. I mean, look, that's 50%, but this 50% needs filling. So we'll probably come down here, range for a bit, and then onwards and upwards. But I need this chart to mature more. I mean, just gambling entering here. So yeah. So these are some of the top, obviously, Metaverse coins. I mean, crazy gains to be had. Let's just have a look at this one. Let's have a look again. I mean, Sandbox. Is it one Snoop Dogg's bought land on and people are buying next door from him for $2.5 million? It's just crazy. So it's a pretty safe investment. Obviously, I don't give financial advice, guys. This is just what I'm thinking, but I think hype, interest, celebrities, it's definitely going to drive this higher. Do I think Sandbox is going to be in the Metaverse in 5 years? Probably not. But what we want to do is make some money while these guys are hyped. And I mean, we've got people like Snoop Dogg and all that investing. So make hay while the sun shines. So that's just a recap of my Metaverse coins. Let me know, guys, what you think. Subscribe. I'm going to start making some videos on, obviously, imbalance, stuff like that in the future. So, yeah, cheers, guys, and enjoy your day, and I hope you make some money on crypto. Take it easy, guys.